make a small box using these parts. There are 6 exactly the same white parts that look like a cat, and there are 6 exactly the same black parts that look like a cat. And when you put 2 parts together, you create kind of a wall of the box. And then you have to create 6 more and put them together, which will be a very difficult challenge. This is a black cat, white cat puzzle. It was designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the black cat, white cat puzzle and you wanna buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more videos from Puzzle Master. So I'll do white and black and try to put the parts together. It is really difficult challenge. My way to solve the puzzle might not be the most efficient, but it works. And if you know a better way to solve the puzzle, just let us know in the comments. Maybe there is a better way to do that. We have 4 walls of the box made, and that's where all the trouble starts, since each wall is made of 2 parts, and sometimes you need an extra pair of hands just to hold all those parts together. Otherwise, everything falls apart. Okay, let's try 2 more. I might do this wall first. This goes here. Okay, we have 5 walls of the box and we have only 2 parts left. And I have to put them in such a way that this part will go under here and this part will go over here. And then on the other side, this part will go under this side and over this side. Let's see, it goes here. The white piece feels nice. The black piece goes under here. Like that, and that is the way how I solve it. Now we have just to adjust everything and you have a beautiful box made from 6 white and 6 black cats. If you know a better way to solve this puzzle, let us know in the comments. If you like the black cat, white cat puzzle and you want to try it, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.